Attention facilities leaders, Alery Building Maintenance has exciting news for you. We are now approved for CPACE projects in Missouri and Illinois, offering up to 100% financing for green energy and sustainability upgrades with no upfront costs. CPACE programs allow property owners to access funding for energy efficiency improvements, with repayment integrated into your property tax bill. This means zero upfront costs, flexible repayment terms, no personal guarantees, enhanced property value, cost savings, and environmental benefits. What types of projects qualify for CPACE financing? The list is extensive, covering a wide range of energy-saving and sustainable upgrades, including lighting retrofits, HVAC system upgrades, window and door replacements, roofing improvements, parking lot enhancements, energy management and monitoring systems, EV charging stations, solar panels, renewable energy storage, building automation and controls, and more! Our team can help you navigate the process and maximize your return on investment by layering other programs like USDA grants and tax credits. Don't wait. Contact us today for a free consultation and start transforming your property into a sustainable masterpiece. Call 888-800-9189 or email Don at alerybum.com now.